it should change. We're from the Netherlands. Jerry the Wanderer.
We're from the Netherlands. Do we actually have a comment?
Or Holland.
Holland, Netherlands.
It's basically the same thing. Where are you from?
Oh.
Not sure if people completely hear me. Texas. That's far away. I guess that's how the internet works.
I want to go to Texas. Do you listen to bluegrass? I listen to bluegrass.
It's bluegrass from Texas.
I need to do some work on the side here.
Some work?
Yeah, well.
You better not work.
I got a call again. Dude. I'm totally not sure what I'm doing.
Hello. Still not working perfectly. It's cool though, because it's now rotating, so it feels like a proper game.
I'm going to eat something, I think, in a little while. Okay. Red, and I've got...
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
European.
Let's
see. Yeah.
So it's basically resetting the pitch value. And
there is actually coding in UE4, but our programmer is not present, so there's no coding going on yet. Martin, you can better explain, I think.
Well, there is C++ coding, but this blueprint system is basically on top of the C++ layer, so you don't need to use any coding before you're doing really hard stuff. So sometimes you're just declaring variables that are public for all the blueprints in C++, or if you use an event tick, so something that happens every frame, then then it's worth using C++ because it makes it less hard on your game, I guess, less heavy. But for the rest, we can just create games without using any programming, which is awesome. And we do have a programmer, but he also just dives into blueprints. But I guess it's also because we're not pros, so we're not really combining and making the most out of all the tools.
What we're learning.
We're learning, and I guess we could use C++ more, but we just don't use it yet, I guess. I'm really curious if they can hear us, because you see a question and then you answer, but you don't know if they heard you.
He just said he can hear us. Can you hear our voices?
Oh
yes.
Yeah, yes, he said indeed. That's right.
Yeah.
It's strange though to not really communicate, but different. Anyway, it's cool that Anyway, it's really cool. Thanks for the questions. Wow, that's also cool. So what are you doing, Nick? Are you doing something interesting?
Well, I'm trying to see if anything goes wrong when I'm exporting the object from 3ds Max. I'm not sure. But I want to make a mess.
Rotation, yaw value.
Yeah, something is going wrong when exporting the object. The fault is within 3ds Max. So that's one step further.
Oh, goodness gracious. How does this work? Can you explain, Nick?
Well, I wish I could, but
I did
it's far too complicated.
relative location. So change
Oh.
relative location. So it's using the normal rotation, which shouldn't change anything. And then it rolls around 360 degrees. That's what it should do. It's doing more than that now, but I don't really know why.
I don't either.
Maybe I should get the normal rotation first. That might be a thing. Get rotation. Actor. Why can't I get anything anymore? It's weird. So basically we're using the basic actor rotation and then adding rotation on top. Woohoo! Well, oh, this is really cool though.
Turning him
Whoa!
too hard, I guess.
You have to look at this footage. Oh, great. I love it. So I have no clue what's happening, but I just love that it happens. It's basically just kicking the plane into orbit, which is pretty cool. So it's getting my actor rotation in here, and then it's changing the roll value within 5 seconds, because that's what I set it up to do. So, but
okay, let's try this again.
it's not really. What is the game about? Well, fly until you die. So we're trying to create 2 planes, which will be in one screen and playable by 2 different players. So on one keyboard. And each player controls 1 plane. And whenever whenever an obstacle is there, you need to react. You can move up and down to basically avoid the obstacles. And so that's all this. It's competitive. So if one of the players is being hit, the other player gets a point. First to 5 wins. So it's something simple. We need to be able to finish it today. So that's why we kept it simple. Own slaves. Will you be able to own slaves in this game? Well, interesting question. Not really. You can consider your plane a slave, I guess, maybe. But that's all you really own. Just a plane that can move up and down.
I think that's a great question.
So what's
with slaves?
Tons of slaves. Just slaves all over the place. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
You're welcome. You're welcome. This is fun though. I love streaming live.
Yeah, I think it's cool. Yeah,
The first time though, so don't mind. Oh no, yesterday was our first time. We came up with our new company name. Well, company is a big word. I mean our team name, which is TostiGames. Tell us if you like it. TostiGames.
you know what it means, TostiGames, you guys? It's a Dutch word, I think.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I've got it working now, the object.
Oh, really? What was the problem?
The problem was, I don't know exactly, but I collapsed the modify stack on the right, and I made it into an editable mesh instead of an editable poly.
What?
It seems to be working.
What?
Don't ask me why.
Okay. I won't.
I'm just going to export it, and then you can be on your way.
Ooh, it's going really smooth.
You're really smooth.
This is so weird, because what is it really doing? It's rotating from one point to the next. If I put them all at 0, 0, 0, and then 360, 0, 0, 0, it should just only do the roll.
Yeah, cut.
Cotton fields. Well, yeah, I wouldn't really know how to implement that into our game. But if you come up with a good idea, we might be able to implement it. Who knows?
Well, if you really want to see slaves, you can always watch our the how do you call it, the Sinterklaas parade. We've got a Sinterklaas here in the Netherlands, and he's got well, you could call them slaves, called Zwarte Pieten, Black Pete's.
Black Pete. That's nice.
So yeah.
So this is what's happening now. Okay. So I guess
you can re-import the Earth object obstacle thing.
okay. This is strange though. If I change a value which is supposed to stay the same, then it's still weird. I guess I just need to play around more. You heard about it. Well, that's cool. Zwarte Pieten. It seems to be a big problem in the Netherlands right now because it's a tradition to have Sinterklaas and this Black Pete's basically.
Zwart.
But people are complaining that it's supposed to be racist or something. So I don't know what's up with that. It's just really weird having a tradition be thrown away because some people call it racist. I do understand where it's coming from. It's just sad to see something go.
Yeah, please let's not get into that. it's
That's
about, yes, Zwarte Piet.
Zwarte Petter. Well, that's pretty close.
Where are you from, actually? Sick.
Fik.
Nee, sick.
Fik.
Ah, Sweden. All right.
Oh, Sweden. It's almost the same as
Oh,
Swedish.
do you know Swedish?
Zwarte Petter. Wait. Oh, knekkenbröd.
Knekkenbröd. Ikea. Oh wow, that's really nice.